on myself? I saw him once earlier. He was in the bushes. I saw him in the window, but I thought I was hallucinating, so I didn't really mind. He's there. I'll go back down there. I'll be inside. Oh, it's TV. It's TV, so I'm gonna sit down. I'm gonna watch something. I'll go back to finding this 2-year-old. I've turned into a beast ever since you scammed me on Pet Simulator X. I've turned into a beast. That little brat. I hate scammers, and I also hate cheaters. Tell me where you are now. Hide and seek is the worst game ever. The only thing that's fun is if I'm the seeker and it's very easy to find you and kill you. But that's not easy right now. So come out of your spot and make it easy and fun for me.